Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If you're interested in going on a journey with me as I achieve healthier hair, skin, and overall wellness, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. And we'll be on the way to a long, healthy lifestyle journey. Okay, you guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned this wig, which is a headband wig, if you cannot tell, okay? I'm going to show you guys how I turned this wig from its dusty, crusty, tangled mess into something that is actually wearable. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and head to the kitchen because I am going to co-wash this wig. Okay guys, so I am in the kitchen and we are going to get ready to wash this wig. I have some cheap conditioner that I'm going to use with it, and we are going to get ready to co-wash this wig. Okay guys, so we are back in the room and I have my wig on my wig head or whatever, and so I am going to just add some product to the hair and maybe style it, but we'll see. I'm also going to go through and detangle it again, only because so you guys can see me. I'm going to go through and I'm going to detangle again because I know I probably didn't get all the tangles and everything out when I was co-washing it. Also too, that twist out was probably like 2 weeks old and I hadn't done anything to it in a while, so I know I need to actually focus on making sure that I get all the tangles and everything out before I start this new week or with this style. And so I'm just going to add some product. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is bomb on my hair, and it's also something that I have a lot of, so I don't mind using it on my wigs. Some of my other products, my wig's not touching it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to use this to go ahead and detangle, and then I don't know if I'm going to actually style it. I might just go ahead and let the natural curl pattern be what I actually wear, because I haven't worn it like that in a while, and I actually did like the curl pattern that it came with. So yeah, I'm just going to focus on mainly detangling and everything, and then if I decide to do a twist out or braid out on it or something, then we'll go from there. I have my Denman here just in case, but I'm probably just going to finger detangle. Okay guys, so I am done braiding up the rest of the wig, and so I will come back once it is fully dry and show you guys the takedown process, show you guys the back. I just did 3 on each side, and then again, like I said, I just use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner, and this is what my wig is looking like. And like I said, I'll be back tomorrow or whenever it's dry, probably tomorrow because I'm going to my mom's house, but I'll show you guys tomorrow what it's looking like once it's all dry. All right. Okay guys, so I am back. My wig is dried. Okay, it dried very nicely here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. We're gonna see how this braid out turned out. One of the best things about the headband wigs is that they are super easy to put on. Like, the application is so easy. Okay, so I have the wig on, and I am just going to separate the braids so we can see how this twist out is gonna look. Hopefully it turns out good. Okay, guys. So this is what my hair is looking like. I think this braid out turned out really well. And then in the upcoming days, what I'll probably do is just add some water to it, and then it's going to give it a whole nother texture, so then I can wear that for a few days as well. And I don't know why these dogs want to bark when I record. They don't bark all day, but as soon as I hit record, they want to bark. But yeah, you guys, so that is basically what I do with this headband wig to refresh it from that crusty, dusty look that I had when I first came on to it looking okay. So yeah, guys, that is really all that I have for this video. I will have the links for this wig in the description box if you're interested. It was only like maybe 60 or 70 bucks off AliExpress. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.